Hey everyone, welcome to Class 6 of our Graphic Designing Master course. I'm Mohammed Farooq Hassan, and today we're diving into one of the most in-demand skills in the design world, social media post design. Whether it's for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube thumbnails or ads, eye-catching posts drive results. And trust me, in today's digital age, you need those results. More engagement, more clicks, more customers. It all starts with a killer design. So are you ready to transform your social media presence from A to wow? Let's learn how to make those scroll-stopping posts the right way. First things first, guys, you have to understand the platform you're designing for. Each one has its own personality, its own vibe, and most importantly, its own ideal image sizes. We're talking pixels here, people. Instagram, the land of perfect squares, loves a crisp 1080 by 1080 image. Stories, on the other hand, are all about that vertical real estate, rocking a 1080 by 1920 dimension. Facebook, well, it's a bit more flexible, but generally prefers landscape images. Get these dimensions wrong, and you risk your masterpiece getting cut off, looking awkward, or losing its impact. And we don't want that, do we? So, before you even open your design software, do your homework. Alright, now that you know where you're posting, let's talk about why. What's the purpose of this post? What message are you shouting from the digital mountaintops? Is it a massive sale you're announcing? A powerful quote to inspire your followers? Or maybe a slick product launch? Defining your goal is crucial because it dictates everything. Your design choices, your color palette, even the words you use. A sale announcement needs to scream urgency, while a quote graphic thrives on clean elegance. See the connection? Remember, a confused mind says no. A clear, goal-oriented design? That's what gets those double taps and shares. Okay, designers, time to talk about visual hierarchy, the art of guiding your viewer's eye exactly where you want it to go. Imagine you're leading a visual journey, highlighting what's important and letting the rest play supporting roles. First and foremost, make your main message huge, and I mean big and bold. This could be your sale announcement, your product name, or that killer quote we talked about. Next, keep your supporting text smaller. It's important information, sure, but it shouldn't steal the limelight. Use it to provide context, details, or a call to action. And remember, white space is your friend. Don't be afraid to let your design breathe. Now, let's inject some personality into these designs. Colors and fonts are like the clothes your post wears. They make a statement. And just like a bad outfit can ruin a first impression, so can a poor choice of colors and fonts. First, stick to your brand colors. Consistency is key in building brand recognition. If your logo is all about cool blues and greens, don't suddenly hit your audience with a neon pink explosion. Second, less is more when it comes to fonts. Choose 2, maybe 3 at the absolute most, and make sure they complement each other. A bold heading font paired with a clean, readable font for the body text is a classic combo. You've poured your heart and soul into this amazing design, but don't let it become just another anonymous post floating in the social media abyss. This is your creation, and it's time to claim it. Always, and I mean always, include your branding elements. Your logo, your website, your Instagram handle, whatever it is, make sure it's there, subtly reminding viewers who created this visual masterpiece. Think of it like signing your artwork. It's a way to build brand recognition, drive traffic to your platforms, and establish yourself as a design force to be reckoned with. Don't be shy, own it. You've reached the finish line, my design heroes. Your post is polished, branded, and ready to conquer the digital world. But before you hit that share button, we need to talk about exporting, the often overlooked step that can make or break your design's quality. When it comes to social media, file format matters. For crisp, high-quality images, PNG is your best friend. It retains details and colors beautifully, ensuring your design looks its absolute best. If you're working with limited file sizes or need something smaller, JPG is a good alternative. Just be mindful of compression. as it can sometimes affect image quality. And if you're creating carousels or multi-slide posts, make sure to export your images in sequence for a seamless viewing experience. Congratulations, everyone! You're now well on your way to creating stunning social media posts that demand attention. Use Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Both are powerful. Canva is great for beginners, while Illustrator gives you full control. If you found this class helpful, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss future classes. We've got a treasure trove of design wisdom coming your way. In the next class, we'll explore freelancing tips for designers, how to earn online using your skills. We'll cover everything from finding clients to setting your rates. Don't miss it.